I'm Deborah Zeff with Holistic Herbal Health, and this week we're talking about how do we get toxicity? Where does it come from? How does it get assessed? And how do we remove it? So the first question is, how do we get the toxicity in our bodies? Did you know that we're born with 250 toxins minimum in our bodies, and that's at birth? And of course those toxins come from the mother. Another way that we get it is because our skin's our largest living organ, that whatever we put in on our skin, all those great lotions and whatnot, because of the toxicity in there, and the skin trying to absorb it and process it, there's toxins in there, and it's hard on the liver. Did you know that I'm doing quantum medicine, and one of the experiments that they have done through the Quantum University is measuring photons being emitted from the body. So they've taken a 12-year-old boy and they put his hand in this quantum box to measure the photons, and the photons being emitted from the body are between 10 and 15 photons per square centimeter. Now, they've taken the same photon box, taken a 65-year-old male, and they put the hand in the box, and they found that there are many more photons being emitted. There are between 100 and 150 photons per square centimeter being emitted from the body. The body is aging. The body has more toxicity. And when the cells replicate, there's toxicity within them. And so how do we stop the aging and to stop the photons being emitted so much? And how do we stay healthy? So one of the ways that we assess the toxicities here at Holistic Herbal Health is that I use the biofeedback assessment meridian. And that machine is a class 2 medical device. You hang on to a hand mass, and I use a point probe on 40 to 60 meridian points. Using that energetically, this gives me the numbers and the toxicity within the body. We can test whether it's parasites, we can test whether it's heavy metals. Where is the toxicity coming from, and how deep is it? Is it on the extracellular part of the cell, or is it intracellular? Most of the time it's intracellular because of all the heavy metals, the candida, the fungus, the mold, and whatnot that's in the body. And of course, the more toxicity we have, the more photons we are emitting, therefore the quicker we're aging. How long do I have to detoxify for? That's a big question here at Holistic Herbal Health, especially using the ion cleanse. I like to use on the basis that for every year that the body has been ill or full of toxins, then it's going to take a month to detoxify the body. So if you've had an issue with intestines or gut for the past 10 years, it's going to take a minimum of 10 months of using homeopathics that can get into the cell and give it the red flags for the cell to eliminate it internally and from within the cell, and get the body to remove it externally through urination or bowel movements. There's more information regarding the avatar, as we lovingly call it in the industry, and on our website at www.rootedinhealth.com, or give us a call at 303-249-7742 and book an assessment. Come in and find out which toxicity you have in the body. We also work closely with a trace mineral company that will assess your hair. They do hair analysis, and it gives you a full report back, and I love the report that they give back, and it shows the toxicity of the heavy metals within the body, and we work with them in conjunction to the assessment and help you get on your healing journey. Again, check out our website at www.rootedinhealth.com, or give us a call, 303-249-7742. Go out and have a blessed week.